All right. So today we will start with family of circles. Family of circles. So there are 4 to 5 varieties where we talk about the family of circles. Family of circle is what? These are the like a group of circles which are following a same kind of property. Got it? Like type 1 is, see there are two circles. Say the circle is S1 equal to 0. This circle is S2 equal to 0. So this is passing through this point, this is passing through this point. Okay. I hope you remember in the previous class, we have already covered position of two circles with respect to each other. If you remember, length of direct common tangent, transverse common tangent, these are the 5 cases for the position of two circles with respect to each other. All right. Then we have done from any point, external point, two tangents are drawn to circle, chord with a given middle point, chord of contact. So we have covered almost everything in this chapter. So now this family of circle is what? Type 1. So type 1 says equation of infinite number of circles, equation of infinite number of circles passing through the point of intersection of two given circles, equation of infinite number of circles passing through the point of intersection of two given circles, S1 equals to 0 and S2 equal to 0 will be S1 plus lambda S2 equal to 0. S1 plus lambda S2 equal to 0. Here, this lambda is a parameter whose value can be evaluated. Lambda is a parameter whose value can be evaluated by the third condition they are providing us. Like they say that the circle is passing through this certain 2,3 point. So make it pass through, get the value of lambda, and then put the value of lambda here. Got it? So this is type 1. Now type 2. Type 2 is equation of infinite number of circles which are passing through the point of concurrency of these point of intersection of these two circles and lines. So this circle is say S equal to 0. This line is L equals to 0. Got it? So this is the type equation of infinite number of circles. Infinite number of circles passing through the intersection of intersection of a given circle S equals to 0 and line L equals to 0 is S plus lambda L equals to 0. Is S plus lambda L equals to 0. Am I correct? Now again, to get this lambda, they will provide you some other third condition. Put that condition, get the value of lambda. Correct? Then type 3. Type 3 is now they're providing you just 2 points. Say this is the point A x1 by 1 and this is the point B x2 by 2. Got it? So now this is the circle. So now what do you want? We want any circle through this And definitely diametric circle is the best circle we know passing through AB, and the line AB we can write down. So the type is equation of infinite number of circles passing through 2 points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is S circle in the diametric form SD plus lambda times this line AB equals to 0. You know how to write the equation of AB, and you know how to write the equation of diametric form of circle. So this will be like x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2 plus lambda times this equation of line AB, which you can find using y minus y1 is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Okay? So this is the third case. Circle in the diametric form. This is very important. And now the most important family, equation of circle touching a given line at a given point on it. Means this is a line given to you. Now there is a point, say this line is L equal to 0. Now there is a point x1, y1 given to you. So there are infinite number of circles which will be touching this line. We need to write down their family. Got it? So equation of circle touching a given line at a given point on it will be, see, I will write SP, that is point circle plus lambda times this line equal to 0. Now what is a point circle? Point circle is basically a circle having no radius, 0 radius. So it will be x minus x1 whole square, y minus y1 whole square. That's it. We don't write any radius in this case. Got it? Plus lambda times this line equal to 0. So this is going to be your answer. Am I correct? So these are 4 varieties. There are 1 or 2 more varieties which are not so relevant, I would say. But these third and fourth are very important, specifically this fourth one. Got it? Now we'll start with few questions. See this question. Find the equation of circle passing through the point of intersection of circles this and this. They're providing you 2 circles with its center on the line y equals to x. And the center of this circle should lie on the line y equals to x. Got it? So how do I do it? Now see, first question I will do. Find the equation of circles passing through the point of intersection of these 2 given circles. So there are 2 given circles to you. S1 equals to 0 and x2 equals to 0. So what will be the equation of family of circles? That is S1 plus lambda S2 is equals to 0. So this will be x square plus y square minus 6x plus 2y plus 4 plus lambda times x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y minus 6 equals to 0. Yes or no? Now collect the terms. So terms will be 1 plus lambda x square, 1 plus lambda y square, 2 minus 6 lambda into x, 2 minus, sorry, there's a mistake. It is 2 lambda minus 6. 2 lambda minus 6 into x plus 2 minus 4 lambda into y plus 4 minus 6 lambda equals to 0. Correct? Now divide this equation by 1 plus lambda. So you get x square plus y square plus 2 times of lambda minus 3 upon lambda plus 1 plus 2 times of 1 minus 2 lambda upon lambda plus 1. 4 minus 6 lambda upon lambda plus 1 equals to 0. Now, this is the equation of that family. Its center will be what? Center will be negative of the half of coefficient of x minus g and negative of the half of coefficient of y minus f. So it is lambda minus 3 upon lambda plus 1 with a negative sign and 2 lambda minus 1 upon lambda plus 1. Negative I already adjusted. Now they are saying with its center lies on the line y equals to x. So this center lies on y equals to x. So make it lie on y equal to x. So minus of lambda minus 3 upon lambda plus 1 is 2 lambda minus 1 upon lambda plus 1. Lambda plus 1 cancelled. So 3 lambda is equals to 4. So lambda came 4 upon 3. Lambda came 4 upon 3. Now once you got the lambda, just put the lambda in any one of this equation, put the lambda in this equation. You will get the equation of desired circle. All right. Just have a look. Yes, please quickly. Yes. Got it? Now, let's proceed with another question. Do this. Center of the circles passing through the point this and touching the circle hx square plus y square equals to 9. Yes. Just tell me what to do. See, if you realize when they are saying touching this circle, what does it mean? Hx square plus y square equals to 9. Center of the circle passing through the point 0, 0, 1, 0 and touching the circle hx square plus y square equal to 9. Now, this equation will be a circle only if h equals to 1. So h is 1, your circle is x square plus y square equals to 9. Got it? Now, the circle is like this. Now they are saying center of the circle passing through the points 0, 0 and 1, 0 and touching that another circle. This is the question. Now, now the circle will be definitely touching it internally, something like this. Got it? Like this. Like this. Now what is the condition for the two circles touching each other internally? So distance between their centers, its center is this, its center is this, should be equal to the difference of their radii. Am I clear? Distance between their centers should be equal to the difference of their radii. Alright, now see, this length is going to be 1 by 2. This length is going to be like this, and this. If I assume radius is small r, so this length is going to be small r. Definitely, this is also going to be small r. So this r is going to be this is r, this is r. Center of the circle passing through this and touching this circle x square plus y square equals to 9. Now, see, center x coordinate will be definitely 1 by 2. Even if the circle will be downwards, x coordinate is going to be 1 by 2. Let us assume y coordinate is some k. Got it? So, what will be the radius of the circle? Radius will be under root of 1 by 4 plus k square. Got it? And distance between the radii. So 3 is the larger radii. So 3 minus r mod is equals to the distance between their centers. That is under root of 1 by 2 square plus k square. So 3 will be equals to what? 2 times r. So r should be 3 by 2. So that means under root of 1 by 2 square plus k square is 9 by 4. Well, 3 by 2, 3 by 2. So k equals to 9 by 4 minus 1 by 4. That is 1 by, that is 2. This is your k square. So k equals to under root of 2. K equals to under root of 2. Got it? But a good question this. Now, equation of, find the equation of the circle drawn on the common chord of the following pair of circles as diameter. Very good question. Very good question. Find the equation of the circle drawn on the common chord of the following pair of circles as diameter. Quickly try. Try quickly. Again, first of all, write the family of circle. Now, after writing the family of circle, get the center of that family. That center should lie on the common chord because they are saying this common chord is a diameter. And how to get the common chord? S1 minus S2 equals to 0. Quickly do. Just quickly try, students. Now, equation of circle. Again, first of all, what? Family of circle. Family of circle is S1 plus lambda S2 equals to 0. So it is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 plus lambda times x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y minus 15 equals to 0. Now the circle can be written as 1 plus lambda into x square, 1 plus lambda into y square minus 2 times of 3 plus lambda into x minus 2 times of 2 plus 3 lambda into y minus 12 plus 15 lambda equals to 0. Got it? Now you divide it by 1 plus lambda. So you get x square plus y square minus 2 times 3 plus lambda upon 1 plus lambda into x minus 2 times 2 plus 3 lambda upon 1 plus lambda into y minus 12 plus 15 lambda upon 1 plus lambda equals to 0. Got it? Now, the center of this family is minus g minus f. That is 3 plus lambda upon 1 plus lambda and 2 plus 3 lambda upon 1 plus lambda. Now, what do you want? You want the equation of common chord. Equation of common chord can be obtained easily by subtracting the two circles. S1 minus S2 equal to 0. So it will be 6x minus 4y minus 12 minus 2x minus 6y minus 15 equals to 0. I directly subtracted so this is also minus 6x. Two circles. Got it? Now it will be minus 4x, 4y plus 6y plus 2y plus 3 equals to 0. So that is 4x minus 2y minus 3 equals to 0. Now, this point lies on this common chord. Got it? So make it pass through this. So it is 12 plus 4 lambda minus 4 minus 6 lambda minus 3 times 1 plus lambda upon 1 plus lambda goes 0. So it is 12 plus 4 lambda minus 4 minus 6 lambda minus 3 lambda equals to 0. So it goes like 5 lambda equals to 12 minus 7, 5. So lambda comes 1. Now you got your lambda. Put this lambda here. So answer is x square plus y square. If you put lambda, you get 2 cancel. You get minus 4x minus 5y minus 27. 27 by 2 equals to 0. This is the equation of circle that you got. Am I clear? Have a look. Very good question. Have a look. Very good question. Very important also. Got it? Now, try this one. A circle with center A and radius 7 is tangent to tangent to the sides of an angle of 60 degree. A larger circle with center B and tangent to the side of the angle to the first circle. Find the radius of the larger circle. Yes. Quickly try. Quickly try, guys. Now, I have to make a better diagram first of all. One circle is this, say, another circle is this. Something like this is happening. Now they are tangent to an angle. One is this, and other is this. Like this. Now they are saying this angle is what? 60 degree. Now this is 7 and this is something R. I will join these two. Got it? So this angle will be what? 30 degree. Correct? Now this will be 7, this will be R. If I join these two, this length is going to be R minus 7 and this angle is going to be 30 degree. So what do I get? Sine 30 is R minus 7 upon R plus 7. Why so? Because this length is R plus 7 and this length is R minus 7. So sine 30 is what? R minus 7 upon R plus 7 and this is 1 by 2. So 2R minus 14 is R plus 7. So R is what? 21. Alright. Simple question, plain geometry kind of question, nothing much to do. Am I clear? Now this is easy enough. Try this one. If this line is the equation of transverse common tangent of the two circles, this and this. If you remember, I talked about transverse common tangent in the previous lecture. Then find the value of theta. Theta means they are asking you for the cos theta upon sin theta. They're asking you not for the slope exactly. Well, try how do you do it? Yes, yes, quickly try. Well, now, this line is equation of transverse common tangent. If I roughly draw this circle, first of all, let us little bit judge about the position of two circles. See, one circle is there with center 0, 0 and radius as 2. Other circle is there with center 3 root 2 comma 3 with radius as under root of 18 plus 9, 27 minus 20, 3 root 3, that is 27, 36, 36 minus 20, 16. So it is 27 plus 9 minus 20. So it is 4. What about the distance between the centers of two circles? This distance d is under root of, this is 3 root 3, is 27 plus 9, that is 6. So fortunately, what is happening, these two circles are in external contact with each other. The situation is like this, one circle is like this and the other circle is like this. Got it? See, these are things that we have to check manually. Nobody is going to tell us. So their transverse common tangent is basically their common tangent passing through in between them. So equation of this is S1 minus S2 equal to 0. So you simply subtract these two circles. So what do you get? 6 root 3x plus 6y minus 4 minus 20 equals to 0. So you get under root 3x plus y equals to 8. Am I correct? I divided by 6. 6 4 are 24 is equals to 4. Correct? Now, they are saying this is equals to 2. So it is root 3 by 2 into x. 1 by 2 y is equals to 2. Now, if you compare this line with this line, what do you get? Cos theta is root 3 by 2 and sin theta is 1 by 2. So when cos theta is under root 3 by 2 and sin theta is 1 by 2, that means your theta is what? Pi by 6. So your theta is what? Pi by 6. This is going to be your answer. Am I correct? Yes, one more thing I would like to tell you. Theta can also, you can say, theta can also be 5 pi by 6. No, because for 5 pi by 6, sin theta is 1 by 2, but cos theta is not root 3 by 2. It is minus root 3 by 2. Got it? Got it? So this is how we do these questions. So when two circles intersect each other, this S1 minus S2 equals to 0 works as their common chord. And when two circles touch each other externally, this S1 minus S2 equals to 0 works as their common tangent. Got it? Now, try this one. Circle this and this. They touch externally, they touch internally, they have this as a common tangent, they have this as a common tangent, whatever. Give it a try quickly. Nandini, okay, you are saying B option, touch externally. Very good. Both of you have done it. Good. I'm not going to check it now. Yes. Number of common tangent to circle this and this. Now see, if you remember, I have told you number of common tangent are distinct in each case. Number of common tangents to circle this and this. So if you can judge that what is the situation of both the circles, they are touching, they are intersecting, whatever it is. So if you can judge that, then we have distinct number of tangent for each case. So now, number of common tangent to circle this and this. See, if okay, anybody, Pragati, Nandini, if you have judge about the situation of these two circles. See, first of all, check if the circles are in touch or contact or whatever it is. See, one center is -2, -4. Its radius is under root of 4 plus 16 plus 23. That is under root of 4 plus 16 plus 23. That is under root 43. Another circle is like, this is the another circle. Center as 2, 5 and its radius is under root of 4 plus 25 minus 19. So it is root 10. Now let's figure out the distance between the centers of these two circles. So this distance is going to be under root of 2 plus 2, 4 square, 16, 4 plus 5, 9 square, 81. So it is under root of 81, 91, 97. Am I clear? Now, just let us judge about the rough values. This is going to be something like 9.8. This is going to be 43, 36, 6 point, say 6.6 approx. And this is going to be 3.1. So if I see 9.7, got it? This is, now see, it is a little bit difficult to judge. Agreed? This is 6.6, this is 3.1, this is root 97. Approximately, they are very close to each other. So let us assume let C1, C2 is more than R1 plus R2. Let us see if we get it correct or not. Means root 97 is greater than root 43 plus root 10. Let's square both sides. So 97 is greater than 43 plus 10 plus 2 under root of 430. Am I correct? So this is 97 minus 53. 97 minus 53. It will be 4 and 4. 44 is greater than 2 under root of 430. That means 22 is greater than under root of 430. That means 22 square is also greater than 430. Now, what is 22 square? 22 square is 484. 484 is greater than 430, which is a true statement. That means whatever I assumed is correct. That means distance between their centers is more than the sum of their radii. So situation of the circles is something like this. They are distant from each other. And if they are distant from each other, in that case, they are distant from each other. They will be having 4 common tangents. Am I correct? Is it okay? Anyways, this is all for today. We have done some very nice variety of problems and also covered some very good examples. All right. So just before you guys leave, just a moment, 430 is 2AB.